So how do you exactly save your Canva presentation here as a Google slide? Well, this one is actually pretty easy because there's actually built-in functionality here that you could use in Canva itself. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the presentation or open up the presentation that you want to basically convert, and you want to go and click on the share button at the top right. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to look for Google Slides option here. Let's go and choose the See All option here. And as you can see, there's going to be a lot of things that you can see here. But to make it a lot easier for us, let's go and just go to our search here and just type in Google Slides. From here, it might appear or not appear here, but if it doesn't appear, what we need to do is we want to go and choose the option here that says Drive instead. So in this case, through Google Drive here, you can actually basically add your presentation. So let's go and click on Connect Google Drive here, and we want to go and just connect our account. Let's go and choose our account here, this one, and from here, let's go and click on Continue. And from here, let's go and click on See, select all, and let's go and click on Continue. Now, once you've authorized your account here, as you can see, you now have the option to export this one. So you can go and choose the PDF standard, JPEG, or PPTX. So let's go and choose the option here that says PPTX, and let's go and click on Save Now. From here, it's going to start preparing our design here, so you just need to wait for a few seconds. But once it's actually done, you can go and click on View in Google Drive, and it should open up Docs here, or in this case, Google Slides, which in this case, it's basically going to make our presentation available via this way. As you can see right now, via presentation, you can even edit or move your other elements. So in this case, you go and click on Continue Editing. You need to save this as PPTX. You go and click on OK. But yeah, so you could go and start moving it and start editing whatever you want here. But yeah, in this case, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.